Hey guys, hope everyone is doing good. So welcome back to our YouTube channel. Happy New Year. So in this video today, I'm going to be going through the trades that we took on our Signal group. So if you're not part of our Signal group, we're currently giving everyone access for free, and you only get the access just for January, and then you're going to start paying the premium on February, which is going to be $30, right? So which is equal to 500. So if you want to get access, I'm going to put the link below. The link is going to be revoked by the end of January. So make sure that you click on the link below to join, and then see you there. Okay, so this week we took 4 trades, and then we win 2 TP hit, and then 1 break even, and then 1 loss, right? So I just want to quickly go through those trades. So on Tuesday, we were expecting the market to come back, give us a retest around this area so that we can buy until here, which is our TP, right? But then what happened is the market didn't give us the retest we were expecting, which was around this level here. Sorry, which was around this level here. So what happened is it gave us a level here, and then which we took advantage of, and then I also sent out a signal to say that if price reject around this area, this is where we're going to take our buys, right, with our stop loss below here. And then when price did that, that's when we took our buys, and then we managed to catch to pay up around 2%. You know, but this was a 1 to 2 trade, and then stop loss around here, and then TP was just around there. And then that was a nice trade to start the year. So that was one of the trades that we took on gold. So our second trade was around here. Let me just quickly delete everything so that it can be nicer. So our second trade was around here, right? So here we were expecting another retest around this level, right? So I expected this retest to happen with this candle here, but it didn't happen. But then now we got this retest, and then this is where we entered. But we did send out a setup on our Telegram group to say we're waiting for rejection and we're waiting for signs before we take buys, right? So which it did give us. But then after we send out the signal, we noticed that there's a level which the market can react to and can take us out, which can push the market down, which was this area here, right? So after price broke this to the downside, came back, retested it, and then pushed the downside, right? So that was the loss that we took on gold. But then we didn't give out a signal to people to say you can take you can buy. This is where you can put a stop loss. We just send out a setup to say this is what we're looking for, this is what we're expecting. So when we saw that this is going to happen, and we didn't have internet to send out a notification to say, guys, please don't take this trade or whatsoever because of 1 to 3. So we take the trade on our own, and then that's when we took a loss. But then the group didn't take this trade because there was no setup sent. So now after we broke this area here, right? We we saw this after we signed out the setup, and then that's why we noticed, okay, cool. There's a high chance that price can retest here, push to the upside because we bullish, or price can do what? Can just reject and retest on this level and then push to the downside, right? Which did happen, right? So when we take this loss, we knew that we did expect the loss that it might happen, and it happened, and it was just a minor loss. So after that, those were the only trades for gold, and then the other 2 trades was from NZDUSD, right? So from NZDUSD, we took a buy and then we took a sell, right? Both those trades were successful, but then just on the second trade, we were taking out on break even because we were targeting a little bit lower, right? So on our buy, we had this range, guys, on a range, you buy low and then you sell high, right? You buy low and then you sell high. So when you saw that we're getting this rejection around this area, and then we have an area which the market can react to, so we went to our 1 hour, and we also explained this on our VIP Signal group, that this is what we're doing, this is why we're going to take this trade, So each and every trade that we're going to take with you guys on our Signals group, we do explain it, and we also do Zoom session, like we're going to do one tonight. So that's going to be shared during the week with YouTube, but for the VIP people, they're going to get access tonight. So this is what we're expecting here. We saw that price push to the upside, right? Gave us this push. We have this new higher low, and then price fell to continue breaking the downside, and then we push to the upside, giving us a new high. And the moment we got this high low here, that's when we knew that, okay, cool, this is where we're going about to enter. And then we took our trade around this area, and then this is our TP where we're targeting at, and then it hit our TP. That was a nice, I think, 1.7% trade, because our stop loss was around here, just to be sure and to be safe, you know. Let me just quickly put the marker just to show you guys. This is how it looked. I'm gonna try to put a screenshot somewhere on the video if I will have time to edit it. So if I don't have time, you just click on the link and then go check it out on our group. Yeah, I think 1.5% on this trade. So this was a nice trade, straight to TP, and then we were out. So our second trade, we took a sell, right? We took a sell. Let me just go back to 4-hour. So after we broke this range, after we broke this range, we got these rejections here, and then okay, cool. So now we have this retest happening here. So now let's take the sell, and then we took the sells, I think, on lower time frame. Let me just go. And then after we got our rejection, we didn't even get a drawdown on this trade, I think. Yeah, we just pushed down, and then our stop loss was around here, and then we were targeting 2 TPs, right? Because it was a 3% trade, 2 TPs. TP1 was around here, and then TP2 was around here. So this was we're targeting. But then the moment we moved to profit, which was around, I think, more than 1%, 1.5% or 1.2%, and then we moved to break even. And then during NFP, this is when we spiked out, right? So I even forgot that it was NFP, would have closed this trade if we knew, but then forgot about that. So took us out on break even. So we had 2 winning trades, 1 break even, and then we had 1 loss. So this left us with profits in our accounts this week. So 1-to-1 plus a 1.5%, and then we risk a 1% on each trade. So we only took 1 loss. So by the end of this week, we were left with around 2.5%. Yeah, 2.5%, which is good. So that's a good start for the week. So if you guys would like to join our VIP Signals, it's free for the month of January. That's a January promotion for everyone. We're also doing like free classes in Cape Town. If you're in Cape Town, holla us on our WhatsApp group. I'm also gonna put the link below the form so that you can sign up, so that you guys can be part of our free classes. So we'll catch you guys on the next one. Cheers. Wish you all the best for this year, and let me know in the comments what you guys think. And then if you have questions, just comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If I even stop this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Cheers.